Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Android Auto not working. Let's get started. First, check your car supports on your Android Auto and your phone has the latest Android Auto app installed. And make sure that your iPhone is running the latest software update. Here you can try using different USB cable or wireless. Ensure that Bluetooth or Wi-Fi are turned on. Restart both your phone and your car's infotainment system. And on your phone, go to the settings and click the apps and click the Android Auto, then tap storage and you can clear the cache. Reconnect to your phone to the car and test it again. If it doesn't work, uninstall and install the Android Auto again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.